Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I am with one of our clients inside the agency, Brennan. We've been working like for more than 6 months right now. So yeah, Brennan, if you can tell us a little bit about yourself, your business, what do you guys sell?
Yeah, we've been doing it, doing exterior cleaning, pressure washing, roof soft washing, window
Yeah.
cleaning, and Christmas lights. We've been doing it for 2 years now.
Okay.
Well,
Nice.
yeah, almost 2 years.
Nice. Nice, man. So you guys are mainly like focused on pressure washing and also like window cleaning, light installs. You do like all of it.
Yeah, pressure washing because it's from January to like October pretty much. I mean, it still somewhat picks up through all of the year, but Christmas lights takes off the weight of not having as much work.
Yeah.
So it Christmas lights just picks up
Yeah, yeah,
as
yeah.
soon as all that stuff slows down.
Yeah. Exactly. Man. So like before, like we started working together because because we done our first interview. This is our second interview. We just want to document basically the results that we done with you. So like when first started working together, how much you were doing like in revenue? How much you were making?
When we first started, probably about 5,000
All
a
right.
month,
Okay.
5 to 8,000 a month for the first several months.
Okay. All right. And like right now, how much basically are you doing in revenue?
Well, last month we did 40K.
All right.
Yeah.
That's actually good. And like this month, it's not over yet. Like just I think just 2 weeks right now. How much you guys are like have done right now? I think we've done like
We're at 20,
20K. Yeah,
almost. Yeah,
yeah.
almost 20.
All
But
right.
today we'll hit 20 for sure.
Yeah. Can you? All right. It's actually good. Can you share like basically what we are doing for you? Because mainly the results behind this revenue that we are getting you, like we are not like relying on SEO or on like organic marketing. It's great. Like there are people who are like making like scaling their companies with that. It's not that actually it's like not good, but like what we are mainly focused on is basically Facebook advertising. That's what we are focusing on and doubling
Right.
down on a lot. So
Yeah.
like basically can you explain, like, because you were doing Facebook advertising before, it's not been working for you great, and a lot of like home service companies, they don't get great results. Even they go work with an agency, they get a higher cost per lead, like $30 or $40, so
Yeah.
they're just wasting money. So like what process you are doing before, and like yeah, so you can just tell us like what you were doing before like you just running the ads.
Before I did door to door and then got
Yeah,
tired of it. I just
like
always did door to door. Felt like I
yeah,
was bothering people.
with door to door, like what problems do you find the most?
I mean, it was good. It worked. It just a lot of pounding the pavement, a lot of doors, a lot of no's, a lot of rejections in person, which
Yeah,
I mean, it can take a toll. It can be tiring. So I just didn't like it. It's not really it's a way to scale a business, but not the way I wanted to scale mine. So I knew we had to break into Facebook ads some way or another. I
yeah,
tried doing it myself for maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and I didn't get like one lead, maybe one lead, but it was a bad lead. And
yeah,
I saw your ad, so then we started doing it, and it's been great ever since. You handle everything for me on the Facebook inside. You know,
yeah,
we have to make the videos obviously to have my
yeah,
face in them, but you
exactly, yeah,
edit them, put them up, monitor them,
yeah.
make sure they're getting good traction, all
Yeah.
that. Make sure we're not wasting money on ads that aren't working.
Yeah, basically, yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, basically, like the process is very simple. We already have we like because many people, why they don't get results, they don't have a framework, so they just like throw an ad, and they say, oh, like we are doing this, and we are at this homeowner's house, and we're gonna give you like a free quote if you apply, or like 20% or 10%. That's just like too generic, okay? And a lot of companies do that, and
Yeah.
everyone is copying each other, and that's why everyone is not like getting results. So like from for us, like what we were doing is, if you can also tell that to people who are watching this, like what we were the main things that we are focusing on, and that made the difference that we are getting like great results.
Offers? Is that
Yeah,
your question? Like good offers? Yeah. Yeah. So just, having a straightforward offer that is like a seventh grade reading level that
Yeah,
anyone can understand pretty much,
yeah,
versus just a vague free quote or 10% off or 20% off or whatever. We give them a line by line pretty much of what they're getting, and
yeah,
then
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
exactly, yeah, yeah. And one of the things that also like did well is we do like if it's something that it's high ticket, let's say roof or pavers. We haven't been around doing ads for pavers, just roof,
lights.
light installs. We just do like a starting price
Yeah,
directly, and we throw in a value, like something that they can get with that for free if they
yeah.
book with us. So that's kind of offers that we do, and
Yeah, and that also helps
yeah,
weed out the cheap people for the most part. They still come through a little bit, but
yeah,
at
yeah, yeah.
least we're not wasting a ton of time on people who think they're just going to spend $100 and get something done.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, and when it comes to the ads, because it's what it's really important. So the offer and the videos. So with the videos, it's simple process. So we script the ads because most people don't know how to do that. They think they're gonna like just like do like this generic ads like made on Canva or something. Just like don't work. So what
Yeah.
we do is we script the ads, the hooks, basically the body has like the offer, introduction about like who you are as a company, some like psychological triggers as well, and then we do a call to action. So and we create multiple variations so we can test which ads are gonna get traction in terms of leads, so like on the great cost per lead. So yeah, that's basically it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we do. Another thing is um like what like do you, because many people they want to do like Facebook. They think that they just want to spend, let's say, $10 a day, or like $20 a day, and as you know, like 10-20 bucks a day, it's not, you're not gonna get many traction. So can you talk about this, because when you first started you also didn't have a lot of money, but
Yeah.
you took action, and yeah, you took action on the system, and
Yeah.
like the results being great. So like what do you think about that, if someone is watching this and like basically he's not like he doesn't have a lot of money to spend on ads, so what will you say to him so he can actually like take action and like do something?
Well, we started with like $30 a day
Yeah,
ad spend. And started making it back the next day or two at max. So, and then I believe in what how Alex Hormozy says, like if you found a way to make money with marketing, you shouldn't have that budget if it keeps bringing in money. If you're putting in $1 and it's giving you 10 every single time, why would you stop?
yeah,
So
exactly,
we've
yeah,
we've gone from 30 a day to we were doing 170 a day last month, and next year I could see it being in the 250s, $300
yeah, yeah.
a day range if it's still bringing in more leads and more
Yeah, yeah,
income. Why
at
would we
least,
stop?
at least as like you are putting $1 and you are getting like a like double and triple and more back. So
Yeah.
that's how it works. Yeah, and and also like, do you think Facebook ads, Facebook advertising is like a great way to actually scale the company? Let's say someone who's watching this is making like 5,000 or like 8,000 or 10,000, he wants to get to 20,000, he wants to double his revenue, or 30,000. Do you think it's like the best way to scale your company in like 2026?
Yeah, probably. I mean, I haven't done Google at all. I haven't really cared
Yeah,
to or
yeah,
had the time to even venture into it. But I mean, for me, it works. For Alex Hormozy, it works, who makes
yeah,
millions,
yeah, yeah.
hundreds of
Like,
millions of dollars. So, yeah.
yeah, the thing is that with you mentioned Google Ads. Google Ads also work. Just Google Ads, like if you want to start, like you just like with starting budget, you need to start with $100 a day, because
Oh, yeah. No, it's no
it's
way to start for sure with Google.
yeah, because the cost per click is high, like six
Yeah.
dollars, $7, $8. So yeah, with Facebook, you get like cost per click lower, and lower cost per lead. So yeah, yeah, that's it. Like if you have like a great budget and you want to do Google Ads and you know what you are doing, yeah, it's also good. Yeah, but it's not like you need to understand like commercial keywords, transactional keywords. So you are targeting people who are looking to buy, not people who are looking for information or are looking to like just learn about your service. And yeah, and you need to have an optimized landing pages, automations in place, so everything is working. And it takes time to optimize. Like it's not like
Yeah.
Facebook, you're gonna get like leads the first day or two. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
man, sounds good. Everything that we talked about. So basically, like, what will you say to anyone who is afraid to take the first step to invest in his company, and he's not sure if he's gonna wants to join like ThinkScale and wants to work with us? Like, what would you say to him?
Well, if you're scared to take a bet on something, then you probably shouldn't be in business. There's going to be
Yeah,
several times where you need to just, take a leap of faith. But with Tink, I mean, it's proven for me and your other clients too.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
I mean, it's not really that big of a risk, I would say, from at this point. Looking back at it, it wasn't a risk at all. I thought it was
yeah, yeah,
because all of the fake marketers, but
yeah,
um, it's just a safe bet, I would
yeah, yeah.
say.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and the thing is that if like let's say if you are getting like if you really want to grow your business and you want to scale your business, and you are at a certain point and everything is not working for you, and like you have either two options. You either take a bet and like take a risk and try something, even if it does. Let's say worst case, if it doesn't work, like you like basically you are not losing anything because you tried something. This is like worst case, but like
Yeah, yeah,
there are a lots of like upsides if you actually do it. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's pretty much.
yeah.
Yeah,
I agree.
yeah, man. That's it. So yeah, do you have any final things you want to say to anyone who's watching this?
Go with Tink. He's the man. He'll help you scale. We went from
Yeah, man.
2,000 a month to now we're at 40,000. I mean, we'll
Yeah,
see what January looks like, but
yeah,
for the light season, it's crazy.
yeah, man. Yeah, like how much we leads we got here like yesterday? I think like light installs we got like more than 10.
Um,
Like light
16.
installs, they be like crushing. Like we've been getting a lot of leads on light installs.
Yeah, for go high level, it says 16 over the last 2 days, and we're halfway through this day. So yeah, more
Yeah,
than probably got three today so
yeah,
far. So
yeah,
we'll say 13.
yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah,
All right. So yeah, man. Thank you for doing this, and yeah, thank you for your time. And
anytime.
yeah, man. Speak to you soon.